What's up? How's it going, everyone? My name's Lauren Long. This is Management 541, and I'm here to talk today about my global product business plan. My product is the unmanned aerial vehicle known as a UAV, and there's going to be a full comms payload unit inside. To start things off, we're going to talk about the table of contents. Here, there's going to be a overview of where everything's located, which slide, if you want to go back and review it. So to start things off with the product, it's going to be on slide 3. Manufacturing and the country customer that I chose is going to be on slide 4. Some potential global operations are on slide 5. Some potential global sales are on slide 6. Positives and negatives about my product are on slide 8. Some concerns that I have going into the foreign country are on slide 9. My preliminary business plan starts on slide 10, and that will consist of cultural considerations on slide 11, strategy explanation of the product on slide 12, product explanation on slide 14, where the product will be sold on slide 16, why the product will be successful on slide 17, and then we'll wrap things up with a final business plan starting on slide 18, which will consist of globalization entry mode, and then labor market competitiveness on slide 19, human resources approach on slide 21, and then we'll wrap everything up one more time with a good old summary on slide 23. So to start with things off with the UAV and the comms payload, the current customers is what we'll be discussing about first, which are the United States Air Force, the United States Navy, and the United States Marine Corps. There's also going to be foreign military branches, and we'll dive into that later. Some benefits with the UAV and the comms payload inside the bird can include safety, consistency, adaptability, and most of all, it's economical. Manufacturing, where manufacturing is going to be held for the most part, is in the United States by Long Industries, the made-up company that I have made for the product that I'm presenting. And its foreign market entry is going to consist of exporting for the large majority of the first part, and if it continues its success in the foreign country that I chose, then there's going to be wholly owned subsidiaries that I'll launch into the UK, which is going to be the international customer. So some potential global operations for the UK. The UK has a total population of 64.4 million people. It's the third largest economy in Europe, and its FDI attractiveness is attractive. The UK pledges to lower corporate tax from 20 to 18%, so that's something to consider. So some potential global sales for the UK. First, discussing political risk. It's low. There is a campaign for nuclear disembarkment. It's a political pressure group. It's economical risk. Well, the real GDP growth rate is about 2%, which is about 100 or 580 billion spent on its imports in 2016. Its legal risk is low. It exercises common law,